Hi, I'm Joseph Kateri, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Minecraft, but in VR. So I've been playing Minecraft since 2012 and have roughly 10,000 hours in it. Just for a frame of reference, that's like 400 days of playtime. Now, as soon as I got my Oculus about a year ago, I knew the first thing I had to do was figure out how to play Minecraft but in VR. To me, it was almost an instinct. And now here I am actually giving you two methods to get Minecraft working in VR, but I actually only recommend one of the methods, but I'll get into that later. For now, I just want to show you this absolute abomination. What is that? How is 97% of you not subscribed? I didn't even think that was possible. Subscribe and let's get this number to be a little bit better, shall we? Alright, back to the video. So the first method is to actually just go into the Oculus store and get Minecraft, but this is awful. It is basically a bad version of the Windows 10 edition of Minecraft, which already in itself is pretty bad. And according to reviews, it literally doesn't even work. Let's just go ahead and look at these reviews. There's almost 5,000 reviews and it's only not even a 3-star product. So, biggest one, 3 stars, needs work. For those who get the message to press A, blah blah blah. You need to go to the registry editor and change the name of active runtime in computer, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's read this one. The thing that sucks is Java is around 4 quadrillions better. Mojang will never update this. Do not play. It's not worth the time to fix the file path. Have a great day. I think you get the point. Now, I'm going to show you a better way to get Minecraft, the Java edition, for almost any virtual reality headset. FYI, you will need a PC. Okay, so the first step is to go into the description down below and go to the official Vivecraft website. This tutorial is assuming that you already have Java and Minecraft installed and have played Minecraft before. Alright, so once you go in the description and click on the Vivecraft website, it'll bring you to this page. You're going to go ahead and go to downloads in the top right, and then go ahead scroll down, and then go ahead and click this Vivecraft 1.16.x button. It will bring you to this GitHub page, which is perfectly fine. You're going to go ahead and just click this top exe file right here, vivecraft.116 installer.exe. Now it's on my desktop right here. I'm going to go ahead and just open it. And then this might pop up, which it's normal. You're going to go ahead and click more info and then run anyways. Okay, so now the Vivecraft installer should be up for you. Now you're not going to go ahead and just click install just yet. You're going to wait a second. So first off, check file path to Minecraft, and it should generally be correct, so just leave it. Now if you want to get mods with this, you're going to want to click install Vivecraft with Forge, but I'm just doing vanilla. I just want to get in the game. So I'm going to leave everything as is, except right here it says profile RAM allocation. Now this is basically asking how much RAM do you want allocated to Minecraft. Now first thing, we're going to have to go ahead and check how much RAM we have. Now to do this, you're going to go to the search bar on the bottom left, type in system, bring up system information, and then right here, installed physical memory in parentheses RAM. I have 16 gigabytes. You might have maybe 4, maybe 8, 12, 16, or 32, any of those, whatever. Vivecraft themselves have specifically stated that you do not need more than 4 gigabytes and you should not allocate more than you need. I'm gonna set mine to 4 gigabytes, but the rule of thumb is that you should not allocate more than 50% of your RAM. So only allocate 4 gigs if you have 8 and above. If you have under 8, then just divide whatever you have divided by 2. If you have 4 gigabytes of RAM in your entire system, maybe put 2 towards this. And then you're gonna go ahead and just click install. If this message pops up, just make sure you have the Minecraft launcher closed and click OK. Alright, and now it says installed successfully, restart Minecraft. So now you can go ahead and just launch up Minecraft. Go ahead and open the Minecraft launcher like I am right now. And then it should auto-select Vivecraft 1.16.5. Now, if it doesn't auto-select it, you're going to go ahead and click this button, and it should be one of these profiles right here. Mine is at the very top. If yours is not here, then the install did not work correctly, and you're gonna go ahead and just go on the FAQ section on the Vivecraft website or join my Discord and DM me, and I'll try to answer your questions. Now, if it didn't show up, but the install was correct, you can go ahead and click from the play, click installations. I'll put this full screen. And then click new installation, name it whatever you want, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should see release Vivecraft 1.16.5. You're gonna go ahead and click it, click more options, change this number right here this says 2 gigabytes. Remember, I allocated 4 gigs, so I'm gonna change it to 4. And then I would just click create. Now again, I don't need to do that since it says Vivecraft 1.16.5 right here for me. All right, now I'm actually gonna go ahead and tuck this away for now. Don't exit out because you will need it. And now make sure that your VR device is connected to your PC. Mine is via Steam Link. You can connect yours using virtual desktop, AirLink, wireless, however you want, as long as there is a connection to SteamVR. So what you're going to do is just open up Steam, and then in the top left it should say View, and then you're going to click Start SteamVR. All you have to do is launch SteamVR and just leave it. You don't even have to do this by opening Steam. Since I have an Oculus device, I have Steam Link, so I can also just go into my VR headset itself and then click Launch Steam Link, and it would do the same thing. Alright, now once you have that SteamVR open, you can go ahead and just click play, and it should automatically put you into VR. Now I'm going to quickly do it myself just to show you that it's working. Alright, I launched SteamVR, and now I'm going to go to my headset, and then I'm going to go ahead and click play right here, and it should just launch up. Okay, so I just clicked play. I took off my headset for a second and clicked play. I know that you can't exactly see my face that well, the angle's not amazing, the mic's not great, but I am in VR right now. I enabled the Oculus Link. Okay, and I am now in the menu screen. It is fully VR. I can see all around me VR. You see? Ooh, big grass. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just click single player. I'm just gonna go ahead and click new world. Don't care what it's called. Allow cheats, who cares? Create new world. Okay, I think I'm in. Alright, perfect, as you can see here. And it's all around, it's so beautiful because I have the shaders installed. I actually forgot about that, but everything just looks beautiful right now. The sun shining in my eyes, that's actually kind of blinding, I'm not even going cap. So I can just go ahead, I can walk over here, I can break this, everything is working perfectly. And you see that? How do I place it? That? No. There we go. Alright, I placed it, you see? Beautiful. You see this chicken? I'm killing it. Die, chicken. Come here. It's actually pretty difficult to play this in VR, I'm not even gonna lie. There you go, you see? Alright, that's enough of that. Okay, so I'm back in my chair now. My hair is a mess just because I was just in VR. But as you can see, everything worked perfectly. And I even had shaders installed, so we know shaders works. However, that part was an accident. Okay, so by now you should have 2 methods, arguably one is hot garbage, on how to set up Minecraft and run it in VR. Now, my channel is all about making educational and entertaining VR content, so hit the bell or join my Discord to receive updates on when I upload. The subscribe button is down below, as well as in the description. You can also find links to my TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and even music I use down in the description as well. Hope you have a nice day.